Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make your own flying ring. So let's move on to it. Now I'm just going to throw it off the balcony. Let's see how it goes. By the way, a sub to the channel would be just tremendous. Then you have to fold this to 1/3 of the paper. Do a tight fold, corner to corner. It should be pretty precise. Yeah. Then you fold this half like this, and then you give it a tight fold with a nail. Then you do this again. This is the last time. And it is pretty good, eh? Yeah, now you open the side like this, and before that you take this at a corner and you do this. When you do this, so there's this curved in this paper, then you just bend it a little. Yeah, so now you open the side like this, so you have this opening. Then you do the same opening on the other side like this. Yeah, then you take this to the another side, open it up, then you take it like this, then you give it an A4 fold. This part is pretty tricky. Yeah. So now, as you had in the starting, this masking tape, it's not necessary to use masking tape. You can easily use any type of tape. It's not necessary. Then you cut a thin piece of it like this. Don't cut your finger by mistake. Then if you see this joint of the paper, you put it like this, and an extra part of it should fold it inside. And yeah, you're pretty done, and this is how you make the flying ring. So as you can see, you can hold the flying ring like this, and to fly this it's pretty difficult as you need to give it a spin and push it a little forward. So first I'll only demonstrate the spin. So as you see, that was the spin, and now you just need to push forward like this and give the spin at the same time. So let's try that. 1, 2, 3. Possible. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so that's how you can fly.